Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a password for your Shopify account. So if you're using something like your Gmail account and you sign into your browser with your Google account and you head over to shopify.com, you quickly allow your email to sign into Shopify, you might want to also keep that safe by adding an extra level there by creating a password. So how do you do that? Simply click your My Store on the upper right hand side. Once you're in Shopify, click on your name where you have your email address and go to the security tab on the left. Now on this section, you will see a section called password. You can easily go ahead and create a password. What I also like to do as well is to create a passkey, and that's going to allow you to, let's say, even add an extra level of security to this. So you can use that passkey on any one of your device. You create one passkey and that can use to allow you some pin to log into your Shopify account. So I use passkey quite a lot, and I think that this could also be something useful as well. But to create a password, just simply click on create and you will go ahead and create your new password and confirm it and click create a password once you're done, and that's going to allow you that whenever you sign into Shopify again, you'll be able to use that password to create your account. But that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.